Dubai has more than 2,500 real estate developers, which makes choosing the right one pretty much difficult. Everywhere you look around at Sheikh Zayed Road or even at the airport, you'll see ads claiming we are the best, we are the fastest, or we are the best of the best. In this video, I'm breaking it down for you with a simple, unbiased list of top developers worth considering. We look around at the big names like Emaar and Nakheel, but we are also discussing the smaller names or the newer name into the market which are creating an impact right now. Now, instead of ranking developers from 1 to 10, which honestly isn't fair just because every developer has its own strengths and weaknesses, I'll focus on giving you a much clear picture so you can make a best decision for your investment. Firstly, we are gonna discuss Emaar, one of the most trusted developers here in Dubai with a track record of over 20 years. They have delivered like more than 60,000 homes and created 8 plus world-class communities. They are the name behind some of like Dubai's major landmarks. If we talk about Dubai Marina, a vibrant waterfront community, then you have downtown Dubai with Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. Emirates Living definitely is a big name with all of the golf courses and lakes into it. Then we have Dubai Hills, one of the greenest community, and you can say Dubai Hills is one of the closest community to downtown. You have an easy access from Al Khail Road, so Emaar is making an impact all over Dubai market. What makes Emaar so special is that they don't just build towers; they build full lifestyle communities where every neighborhood becomes a highly desirable place to live in. Like if we talk about the numbers, Emaar has reported a performance in first half of 2025 with a 46% growth in real estate sales, reaching nearly 46 billion dirhams. The company also recorded 62% in backlog to 146 billion dirhams, where revenue rose by 38% to 19.8 billion dirhams. And net profit before taxes grew up 34% to 10.6 billion dirhams. So here are some of the exciting Emaar new projects to watch right now. Firstly, we have Dubai Creek Harbour. Definitely a new downtown is coming in. You have like a mega mall, pedestrian friendly areas, and even the world's tallest metro station is going to be there. So Dubai Creek Harbour will overall have 3 metro stations of Blue Line, which is going to be completed in 2029, I do think so, but definitely worth of investment just because you are having a waterfront living. Secondly, Emaar's master community, Dubai Hill Estate, is worth considering. Like it is the greenest community where you are having villas, apartments, golf courses, parks, even the schools, all in one master planned community. And the best thing is its location. It is the nearest community to all over Dubai, so like you have an easy access to downtown and business bay like within 10 to 12 minutes. Thirdly, Emaar is coming up in South area with the name of Emaar South. Like it is a community near world's largest airport, Al Maktoum International Airport, which is going to be operational within 7 to 8 years. So definitely this is worth considering just because Dubai government is also putting in a lot of money, like 128 billion dirhams for this project. So this area is definitely going to develop a lot and the prices are going to appreciate a lot. So in Dubai South, Emaar South is coming up with townhouses, with apartments. The prices are starting from 1.5 to 1.6 million dirhams. And if you talk about townhouses, it is starting from 3.5 million dirhams. And this area is going to be the next financial hub just because you have easy access to Palm Jabal Ali as well. You have Port Jabal Ali as well. Next up, we have Nakheel, the master of waterfronts. Nakheel is a government-backed developer best known for creating world-famous Palm Jumeirah. They have also built the World Islands, which wasn't that much of a success. But now Nakheel is working on 2 massive projects. The one is Palm Jabal Ali, which will be double the size of Palm Jumeirah with much better infrastructure and much better connectivity. And secondly, they are working on Dubai Islands, like 5 man-made islands are coming into play, like right next to Infinity Bridge with 21 kilometer of beachfront and marinas. You are having golf courses, and in total we are having 86 hotels. So prices here are currently definitely around 2 million dirhams. So they are like you can say at the starting point and they are worth investment as well. 2 million dirham for a 1 bedroom apartment at the initial phase is a good opportunity. If we are talking about 26 or even 2027, the prices are not going to be the same just because things are under development right now. Emaar and Nakheel are fantastic, but if you're looking for something more budget friendly, so DAMAC is worth considering. They are one of the largest private developers here in UAE with delivery of over 45,000 units. So DAMAC has also completed their communities. If we're talking about DAMAC Hills 1, DAMAC Hills 2, DAMAC Lagoons, these are the delivered projects with all of the basic amenities in it. Like you have the golf courses, you have townhouses, villas, and also the apartments. So in terms of numbers, there's specific units. If we talk about townhouses and villas in DAMAC Hills 1, that have grown up by 91% since 2019, which is pretty much impressive as compared to Dubai overall real estate market. Looking ahead, DAMAC has some exciting projects under development. If we talk about DAMAC Islands, which is like a community of townhouses and villas, which was sold out in a day. So 3,000 units were sold out in a day worth 10 billion dirhams, which is a big number. So now DAMAC is coming up with new communities like DAMAC Riverside, DAMAC Sun City. So they are focusing more on townhouses and villas. just because they are more in demand. Firstly, they were working in business bay areas or on marina side with single high-rise buildings, but now they are working on communities, which is selling out pretty quickly just because of the demand. So now DAMAC is definitely a big player in Dubai real estate market just because of the high numbers. Now they are coming up with a new community named DAMAC Riverside in Dubai South, which is going to be right next to world's largest airport. So the prices for one bedroom are starting from 1 million dirhams, which is pretty much affordable, and you might have heard the ad 0.25% monthly. So you're going to be paying 2,500 per month. And it was also a community for townhouses, which was launched at 2.3 or 2.4 million dirhams for a 4-bedroom townhouse, and 5-bedroom townhouses are starting from 4.2 million dirhams. If we talk about the location, DAMAC Riverside has an easy access to Emirates Road, you have an easy access to Expo City, and also world's largest airport, which is going to be operational very much soon. Also, we have Etihad Rail coming in, you have metro lines coming in. So DAMAC Riverside is worth considering right now. After the names of Emaar, Nakheel and DAMAC, we have Ellington Properties, which is a boutique property development firm in Dubai with over 75 years of experience. So Ellington was founded in 2014 to offer unique living solutions with a competitive landscape. As of 2025, if we're talking about the first half of 2025, Ellington has about 38 active projects valued over 6 billion dirhams. A notable development, the Sanctuary in MBR City secured 600 billion dirhams construction deal with completion to be expected in Q2 of 2026. Their projects such as Wilton Park Residences, Belgravia and Ocean House have gained significant recognition into the market just because of their elegant design, their world-class amenities. If we talk about the building quality, definitely Ellington stands out. Like if I'm gonna rate it out, Ellington is definitely worth considering as compared to DAMAC just because of their high quality. And if we talk about their individual projects, each project is a masterpiece. Like if we talk about the layouts, natural lighting and high-end finishing, it is definitely worth considering as an investment or if you want to live in by yourself. Ellington's current project include high-rise luxury residences and multi-famous communities in Dubai located at like most prime locations of Dubai. If we talk about downtown, Business Bay, Palm Jumeirah, they have projects in JVC, in Majan and in Dubai Land. Ellington recently entered in Dubai South, a rapidly developing hub. Like you are right next to Expo City, you have right next to world's largest airport. So Ellington is worth considering in Dubai South. The prices for one bedroom is starting from 1.2 million, 1.3 million. Their first project was sold out in a day. They are coming up with the second project as well. But Dubai South is definitely a worth considering project or worth considering area just because of the location. If we talk about high ROIs and high rentals, this area is going to appreciate a lot. If we're not now talking about one bedroom is around 1 million or 1.1 million, it is definitely worth considering. After 1 or 2 years, this area is not going to be the same. The prices for one bedroom, I do think so, are going to jump up to 1.5 million just because Emaar South is right next to it, which is selling one bedroom for 1.5 to 1.6 million dirhams. The next one is still unknown to many investors. I am definitely putting it onto my list, which is Imtiaz. Imtiaz started its like construction company in 1993, but in terms of developer, they have come into the market in 2014 as an independent developer. Their main focus is on premium quality and like their premium finishing. If we talk about the designs, I do like it a lot. And their first project was in Al Furjan with the name of Westwood, which was like completed in 2022. If we talk about the numbers, it was a showcase of their quality and was delivered exceptionally well. Like the prices until 2022 increased in this building by 34%. Like if we compare it with overall market, which was 18% for overall Dubai real estate market. Definitely in terms of rentals as well, rentals in this building are 40% more than the average rentals in this area. And if we are comparing with exact numbers, 7 to 8% is the ROI, is the rental amount here in Dubai. But for Imtiaz buildings, it is around 8 to 9% just because of their good quality and just because of their good designs and the amenities they are offering. Imtiaz has now 15 new projects under development and they are focusing on mainly 3 areas like Jumeirah Village Circle, Dubai Land Resident Complex and Dubai Islands. For now, they have come up with Cove Edition in DLRC, which is a good project. Like if we talk about the entry size, studio are starting from 670,000 dirhams with a fully furnished and like the best quality in the market. 670,000 is worth considering. You are coming up with a payment plan of 50% during construction, 50% at the time of handover. They are also offering post handover payment plans, 70% or 30% for the next 2 years, which is a good development. For now, if we consider DLRC, you are right in between like Dubai Island Road, you have an easy access from Sheikh Zayed bin Hamdan Road, you have an easy access from Emirates Road. So DLRC is now a good location just because you are in the middle of like right next to, you are going to be Blue Line metro station you are having. Other than this, Silicon Oasis is right next to it. So DLRC is a good investment just because of the starting prices. Their other main focus is in Dubai Islands, as prices are yet to increase. Like most of the area is underdeveloped right now. As we all know, Nakheel is a master developer and they are owning their own projects in there. But in terms of private category, like we have 20 plus private developers here in Dubai Islands. So Imtiaz is definitely worth considering, as the prices are starting from around 2 million dirhams or 2.1 million dirhams, which is a good time to jump in. As we are talking about 2.1 million dirhams, this is with a payment plan as well. 20% you have to pay as a down payment, 50% during construction, and 30% remaining at the time of handover. So Imtiaz is worth considering in Dubai Islands just because you are getting to number 2 million. You can also apply for a golden visa as well. So there you have it. These are the top developers here in Dubai real estate market. Firstly, we have Emaar, the market leader, the MAG, large scale and budget friendly communities. You have Nakheel, the master of waterfronts. You have Ellington, like a boutique and design focused. You have Imtiaz. You can say it is a hidden gem and it is coming up with good quality and affordable prices as well. Each developer has its own strengths and the right one for you depends on your budget, on your timeline, and definitely on your investment goals. So if you want to invest in Dubai real estate market, just send me a WhatsApp.